Brilliant Gang? What is up to my brilliant squad? It is your girl Brilliant Brie here, and I am back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Brilliant Gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. You guys, this is going to be a quick video. I had to come and give my quick little testimony on these two products that I came across that has grown my edges and my hair back. Like, y'all, like, I can't even find the words to explain. Like, these two products have like really grown my hair out and grown my edges back. Now, I don't know, I don't think I had braids since I started this channel, but I had got stinglies, twists, and I used to get them pretty often. And they would break out my edges, okay? So I had to find something to grow my hair back. Like, it had got bad, y'all. Like, I've never had really thick hair. So already when I got the braids and when I would take them out, like when I get lazy, like normally I would start from the back, and then when I get to the front, I'm lazy. So I'm just basically like pulling them out. So like my hair was like, all of this was gone. Like this on the sides was gone. Like I didn't have no hair right here. Believe it or not, like I didn't have no hair right there. So I went to my local beauty supply store after, of course, being on Pinterest forever. Everything that I do mostly comes from Pinterest, y'all. Skincare routines, anything with my hair, anything that I can find, really, like for household, for myself, for anybody else, I find on Pinterest, okay? So, you guys, I know a lot of you are familiar with Wild Growth Hair Oil. Now, this is a really good product. Let me see if I can focus. This is a really good product by itself. Okay, but I was on Pinterest and on the internet, and I came across, I'm gonna show you the box. It's called Virgin Hair Fertilizer. When I tell y'all, this is the truth. I would not come on here and lie to y'all. These two products together work miracles, y'all. Now, I did test this out with some other people too to see if it worked like it worked on my hair, and it did. Like, when I tell you I didn't have no hair, I didn't have nothing to swoop like that, or all of this right here was thin, like super, like I didn't have no hair. My coworker, she had trouble like with her edges and stuff like that, so I told her to go get these two. Now, they don't have this everywhere, but I mean, I did come across it. They said it was hard to find, but when I went to my beauty supply, it was there. When my coworker went in there, it was there. So y'all should not have a problem finding this. And then if you do, it's online. Now, it does cost $9.99. But when I tell you, your hair, you're going to see results fast. You're going to see results fast. Because with this by itself, you see results fast. But with them together, awesome. Now, of course, I want you to do your own research. Go online, read the reviews on both of them. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, I had to come on here and let y'all know about these two products together. I've seen this one everywhere, but I have not seen this one everywhere. Y'all, these together at the same time will work magic in your head, okay? I'll brush and comb my hair, and then of course after I do that, before I go to bed, I always put my bonnet on anyway, my satin bonnet, but I'll go ahead and apply this one first, okay? I'll go ahead and dot it in there around these. I do it mostly like here, I'll do it right here, and I was always doing it there. Like I said, I didn't have hair on the side, so I was focusing on these areas right here. So I would dot it, and then I would massage it, you guys. So then I would massage my scalp, massage it in, rub it in real good, and then I would apply this one. Now this one, the best way I can describe it is like, it looks like grease, okay? It has the scent of like some sort of like medicated grease or something, which is why I do it at night, so that by the time the morning comes, my hair is not smelling like that completely. So after I do this one, I'll put this on, and then I'll do the same thing, rub it in. Now this one, they do say to I think most people put this in their problem areas, but they say to rub this throughout your hair. I have done that a couple times, but like I said, I focused on my problem area. But another thing that I also did, you guys, is after I apply both of these, before I put on my bonnet, I would put in some leave-in conditioner. Now this is just the one I use, but there are plenty. This one is $5.99. It's the African Pride. It's a new one, Shea Miracle Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. Let me see if I can focus. But that's the one I use. So this one first, second, third. And then after that, I will massage my scalp real good, and I'll put that bonnet on, and when I wake up in the morning, like, my hair will be so soft, y'all. So soft. Now, I really want to hear about how this works for y'all. So make sure, if you try this combination, make sure you drop down in those comments and let me know how it went for you guys. Make sure you let me know how it went, because it works wonders for me, y'all. Like, I've always had a hard time growing my hair out, okay? Always. It seems like even like hair pills, hair vitamins, stuff like that didn't work for me. Jamaican castor oil, stuff like that does not work for me. These two together work for me. So drop down those comments. Let me know how it works for you. If you tried either of these products, if you tried them together already and you know, drop down those comments and let me know your experience. But anyways, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next freaking video. Bye.